How to make YouTube channel, how to add channel, logo, channel, name channel description. Please watch full video, subscribe channel. Go to YouTube app. Go to YouTube, click on logo, add new Gmail account. Choose click on new Gmail account. Click on YouTube logo. Click on Create a channel. First, upload your channel logo. Choose from Gallery File, Channel, Logo File, Upload. Choose Channel Logo Picture. Click on Save as Picture. Click on Create Channel. Congratulations, your YouTube channel's ready now. Add your favorite channel name. Click on Create Channel. YouTube channel ready now. First, you add channel description. What category? Your channel ad. Your channel category: vlog, education, science, and technology. Other topic add. Your social link. Full paragraph. Upload. Channel description. Add YouTube channel description. Add YouTube description, unique searchable, clear what category, your channel. Add social link, other contact. Save settings. Congratulations, your YouTube channel's ready now. How to add channel tags. Watch next, video 2.